Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to make a silk thread designer bangle set. Let's start. Take two bangles of different One bangle I have wrapped red and golden color. Apply glue at the middle of a bangle and paste white color stone chain around a bangle. And another bangle I have fully wrapped the golden color. And now after pasting, cut at the end and paste it. At the corner, apply glue again around a bangle. And paste gold color ball chain at the corner around a bangle. After pasting, cut at the end and paste it. Now turn out a bangle and this corner apply glue again and paste gold color ball chain again around a bangle. After pasting, cut at the end and paste it. Now one bangle we have made. The next bangle, apply glue at the center around a bangle. After applying, paste gold color ball chain at the center around the glue. Cut at the end. And now this is star shape kundans. I am just pointing the marks with the other bangle I already made. Apply glue at the one corner of a bangle and paste this one by one. For only half of the bangle, paste like this one by one. Now I have pasted half of the bangle on one side. Now turn out a bangle and paste on the opposite side like this till the end. Now we have pasted on both the sides. Now take a red color kundans and apply glue on the balance half part of a bangle and paste one by one like this. Now we have pasted one side. Now at the center of that kundans, star kundans, apply glue like this at the center and paste the same red color stones at the top like this, one by one. Yes, I have pasted. Similarly, paste both the things on other side too. Yes, I have made other side too. A bangle is ready now. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.